I'm gonna plate my food now. Sticky rice, right here. My egg, my chicken apple sausage, a little bit of guacamole also on the side. My mom cut up a bunch of cucumbers, so I'm gonna also put these right here too. Yum! So good. Oh my goodness. I tried plating it like that one girl on TikTok who always plates her breakfast. Sausage, guacamole, rice, and egg. I'm getting ready to go to the farmer's market right now. The farmer's market's always on Tuesday, and each Tuesday is like a theme, but they never have like anything for that theme. Like they have like 1 or 2 booths. One time I went for the Saturday farmer's market because they called it the flower farmer market. Like it was supposed to be flower themed. And there was only 2 flower booths, which are always there all the time. So sometimes their themes are a bit not really on theme. Today's supposed to be a flower festival, so I'm hoping there's a lot of flowers. I'm keeping my hopes up. I have an Edikted haul for you guys. Thank you so much, Edikted, for sponsoring this portion of the video. I made 6 different spring/summer outfits for you guys. It's already hot where I live, so I made sure to include skirts as well as pants. I'm gonna start off with my favorite outfit. I'm obsessed with the skirt so much. A white jean skirt. My favorite part about the skirt is the back. Also, there's shorts underneath this, so I don't have to worry about anything slipping out. So I paired that skirt with this yellow top. It's so cute and so flattering. This is the next shirt for the next outfit. It's just a black square neckline. It ties in the back, so it's a little bit of an open back. Pair that with this floral mini skirt. Oh my gosh. Another thing, this one also has shorts underneath. I just love that pop of color. That outfit with black ballet flats or even black boots. So adorable. I'm also pairing the black shirt with this freaking skirt. I love bright color shirts or bottoms because I can just pair it with something basic and it's a cute outfit. Next outfit I have is this knit sequence tank top, and it's a halter top. This would be so cute for like a night out or over a bikini or just casually with a denim mini skirt. It reminds me of like the 2000s. I also love the size of the mini skirts. They're like the perfect mini length. They're not like super short, but they're not long either, especially for me because I am a short girly. I'm 5 foot. I like to say I'm 5'2", but in reality I'm like 5 feet. Sometimes mini skirts can still be a little bit too long for me, but those skirts are the perfect mini skirt length. Now for the pants outfits, I have this shirt, which I've already worn. I've been wearing this both for a sleeping top and a going out top. I paired it with these blue wash jeans. I like how the pockets are placed on these jeans. I think it looks pretty cool. Also, like how they're cuffed at the bottom. For the last outfit, I have this top that I'm wearing right now. I paired it with these light jeans. Remind me of like just regular 90s jeans. But the cool thing about these ones is that pockets in the back are little hearts. This is not an outfit, but I love this zip-up sweater. I've been wearing it like crazy. There's literally cat hair all over it because of how much I've just been wearing it. Just a navy blue zip-up sweater with a pink graphic. I'll have everything linked, and I also do have a code BellaJewel10 for 10% off. That way, if you guys want to purchase any of these items, you guys can get that 10% off. I came back inside really quickly to put my pants on. This is the outfit for the flower market. My jeans on, this adorable yellow top from Edikted, brown purse. Let's go to the market, and I hope there's a lot of flowers there. I hope they're not catfishing me. you guys hear the birds chirping outside? I love waking up to that. Read a little bit more of this book last night. I thought fairies were just like fairies, like wings, little tiny fairies, but I guess leprechauns, trolls, goblins, like mythical creatures are all considered fairies. I was skimming through it and I'm excited to learn more about this one. I don't even know how to say it, like the changeling children. Apparently the ones that come into the house at nighttime, they take your child, replace your child with a fairy, but it's supposed to be, I don't know if this is correct, but apparently it's supposed to be like an evil fairy. So your child is all of a sudden a crazy monster. I don't know what book it was, but I remember reading a book. I have bad memory, so I don't really remember much about it. It was a family, a sister and a brother, and in the middle of the night, I guess a changeling came inside, took the brother, and replaced the brother with the fairy demon. So that's why the brother was like acting up all of a sudden. So she ended up having to go to the fairy realm to go find her real brother. And she learns that she's actually a part of the fairy realm. Yeah, it was a really good book. For breakfast, I'm gonna make my cottage cheese pancake. Sounds not good, but I promise it's really freaking good. Are finished. I added some bananas on it. Hot outside, but it also feels so good. I brought my laptop in my bag so that way I can also edit today at the coffee shop that I always edit at, because I'm a little behind. I plan on posting a video this week and I'm very behind, so I'm gonna try to catch up as best as possible. I am sweating like crazy. I cannot wait to go into a cold bakery and get a nice coffee. I'm here at the coffee shop. I'm so excited for this coffee.
Cool camera.
Oh, thank you.
So are you a photographer or you just having fun?
No, I just like to have fun. I document little life moments.
Whenever you're ready, I got you, alright?
Okay, thank you. I got an iced white mocha. And then strawberry croissant, little lava cake. extra slow for some reason. I kind of want to try my little thing already. I love looking at like home decor and kitchen supplies, even though I don't have a house of my own. It's so cute. I love these little cups.
No, they have corn, so that's not cold powder.
I don't know.
Anyways, this I know. I got to be.
It's 11 o'clock right now. I just showered and now I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna eat Wingstop. I was watching YouTube in the shower. I found some new people that I love watching on YouTube now. Just finished watching this one in the shower. Her name is Millie. I just love her videos. Her vibe is amazing. I've only seen 2 of her videos. I'm not subscribed. There. I've only seen 2 of her videos. Oh, she only has 3 videos. Okay, cool. These are like the most calming and relaxing bakery videos. Okay, I reheated everything. Well, not everything. Just 2 wings and some fries. Garlic parm and then Cajun. Wingstop ranch. Nacho cheese. The flowers are starting to bloom outside on the tree. That is how you know spring is here. Oh, I am so excited for the flowers to bloom. I'm gonna go take my little cousins to school right now. Gotta put the Uggs on right. I'm taking one to school and then one is staying with me. Their mom allows them mental health days, like where they just mentally do not want to go to school, which I understand. I wish I had that when I was a kid. Today she's taking her mental health day, so let's go pick them up. One is gone, the other one in the back. Oh my gosh, my mom made pickle bread.
I'm going to make pickle bread. It's gonna take a nap for an hour. We'll see.
Ooh, it looks pretty.
Look how pretty.
Looks good. It smells good.
Okay.
Oh, they're good.
Like a bagel cheese.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
Like a bagel cheese.
I'm starting to edit now. I need to find a new editing spot because I feel like I have so much footage in the same bakery, but it's the only cozy bakery that there is over here.
Let me see.
Kind of messed up a little bit.
No, that looks so good. I love the little mini skirt. Look at how cute it is. Me and Julian were gonna go out tonight, but we decided to go to Whole Foods instead. Get something to make. We don't know yet. Ta-da! Your chocolate croissant. Do you want some? We still have no idea what the heck we're gonna eat. have been waiting.
You have to let me try that. You have to.
Perfection. You might not like it.
I'll be the judge.
It's too sweet for you. Your Ninja Turtles? It's too sweet, huh?
No, it tastes like a Starbucks white chocolate mocha.
Yeah, it's just white chocolate mocha.
And yeah, while that's going on, my sushi's gonna go back in the fridge. And then I'm gonna trim the little bit of fat off the steak so we can put it in the pan so it can get all oily. Oil.
I don't know.
Do you remember a hallway? A black hole?
Okay, we're gonna start making dinner now. I'm just gonna start on the potatoes because I didn't know we had to soak these in cold water for 30 minutes.
After you cut them?
Yeah. We got sushi to have an appetizer.
I could eat this every day for my whole life.
Oh my gosh, look at all that freaking garlic.
Girl, I know that's not how you're gonna mix it.
Steak, french fries, mushrooms. Cookies are in progress now.
In my ice cream?